Hello, and a warm welcome to the My Travel Vibes YouTube channel. Today, we're taking you to a beautiful, vibrant world located right near the nation's capital, Washington, D.C., resting on the southern banks of the Potomac River. This is National Harbor. If you're looking for a place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy entertainment, delicious food, shopping, and beautiful scenery all in one spot, then National Harbor is a paradise created just for that. So, come along with us, let's discover the hidden gems of this beautiful destination. Getting to National Harbor is an experience in itself. You can get here from Washington, D.C., Alexandria, Virginia, or even Mount Vernon by taking a water taxi, enjoying scenic views along the Potomac River. That journey itself provides a wonderful start to your trip. Additionally, if you're coming by car, there are plenty of large parking garages available. Public transportation, especially the Metrobus service, is also an option. So, no matter how you travel, getting here is incredibly easy. When you think of National Harbor, the first thing that comes to mind is this giant Ferris wheel, the Capitol Wheel. As this wheel lifts you 180 feet into the sky, you get to see a stunning 360-degree panoramic view of the entire National Harbor area, the Potomac River, the Washington Monument, and the city of Alexandria. The view is especially breathtaking at sunset and during the night, when the sparkling city lights create a scene that's truly beyond words. You can purchase tickets for this online or right at the location. Emerging from the sands of the National Harbor shoreline, this massive figure will surely amaze you. This is the Awakening sculpture. Consisting of the head, hands, and feet of a giant struggling to break free from the earth, this sculpture is a perfect spot for photographers. It's a wonderful sight to see children climbing and playing on the giant's hands and feet. The heart of National Harbor is its beautiful waterfront. On one side, the blue waters of the Potomac, on the other, modern buildings, restaurants, and shops. The feeling you get strolling along the promenade that runs between them is just wonderful. Watching the luxurious yachts docked at the marina is also a pleasant sight. If you want to experience a boat ride, various tour boat services operate from here. You can also find facilities to rent kayaks and paddle boats. You can even take a scenic journey towards Virginia on the walking and biking trails that run under the Woodrow Wilson Bridge. For those seeking entertainment and a touch of luxury, National Harbor offers the MGM National Harbor Hotel and Casino. In addition to its massive casino floor, it features a theater that hosts world-famous concerts and shows, top-tier restaurants, and a stunning conservatory filled with floral arrangements and decorations that change with the seasons. This conservatory is definitely worth a visit inside. For those who love to shop, National Harbor is a fantastic destination. At Tanger Outlets, you can find products from many popular brands at discounted prices. And whether you're craving seafood, Italian, Mexican, or just a classic American meal, there's a huge variety of restaurants here to suit any taste. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy a delicious meal while overlooking the waterfront. National Harbor is a place that's full of life all year round. In the summer, there are outdoor movie screenings, weekend concerts, food festivals, and various other programs held here constantly. Especially during the holidays, the entire area transforms with a giant Christmas tree and light displays. And the fireworks shows held on special days light up the sky in an unbelievable way. Before you visit, it's a great idea to check the official National Harbor website to find out what special events are scheduled for that day. So, National Harbor is the perfect destination for a day trip, a weekend getaway, a fun time with the family, or a beautiful evening with your loved ones. Every corner of this place will leave you with a new experience and a beautiful memory. If you've been to National Harbor, share your experiences with us in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. To discover more beautiful places like this with my travel vibes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again on a new journey, have a wonderful day.